Hey, I'm down here in City Center in downtown Danbury, and I'm standing in front of the Concordia Building, this very historic building, and if everything goes well, I'm going to be having a gallery upstairs, which I'm going to take you to so you can take a look at it. And this will be great. It'll be a retrospective of my photography over the last 10 years, in particular featuring Weir Farm. And also I think it's just a great thing to have for the community, to be able to come down and check out everything Danbury has to offer. So without further ado, follow me upstairs and I'll show you around. Come on in, come on. So this is the entranceway of this building. And we have this nice, nice entrance area. Looking down. This is the actual space where the gallery will happen. And if you follow me in, you'll see there's not much to it right now. But it's a pretty big space. It's got a nice stage area back over here. So I think it'll be a good place to do workshops. I'm thinking of maybe doing a free workshop for the public. It might even do some music. I don't know if you all know this, but I've been kind of going back to my music during this pandemic time. So I was thinking of maybe doing some concerts. We'll see about that. But my thought was to have photographs all along this wall here. My thought was to do them on easels, just to kind of pick up on the Weir Farm studio art theme. And so those will go around the room. And then I was thinking of having some more in the center. And we'll have an area over here. Over this area here. Right now it's kind of cluttered, but my thought was to have a nice couch over here where people can kind of hang out and talk and maybe have something to drink. I'll have a table here with some merchandise, my Weir Farm book and some other books that I've written, and maybe even some prints and things of that nature. In fact, we already have a really awesome looking couch over here. So I believe that stays, and we can use that for, for the gallery. But basically, it's going to be a pop-up gallery. So it's not a permanent situation, but I think we could be here for at least 30 to 60 days. And then if the space is available again, I can come back, kind of pop back in, if you will, and do another exhibit. So for this first one, I was thinking of doing a retrospective. It would include not just the national park pictures, but even some of the stuff that I kind of do on my own, like street photography, which I'm really fond of. And obviously, I'm not going to have every picture, but I thought I would have maybe 2 or 3 pictures representing each collection. And that'll probably round out, I don't know, maybe 30 photos, maybe 40 photos, somewhere in that neighborhood. But it'll be nice. We're going to have some jazz music playing in the background. It's a very nice, lively room, so it'll sound really good. And my thought was we'll do, the gallery will be open on Fridays and Saturdays. I'll be here on each day. And we're going to go throughout the community and let them, we're going to go literally door to door throughout the different stores, different merchants out here, to let them know about the gallery and encourage them to invite everybody they know. And I may do some, I may do some live streaming from some of the merchants just to kind of introduce the world to the Danbury community. But I think it's a great way of linking art with the community. This community, like many others across the country, has suffered through the pandemic. So there are vacancies here and there. And we want to try to inject some life back into it, and art is a great way of doing it. So I hope I can count on your support for this. It's still in the works, so I may be telling you about this prematurely, but I like to be a little risky about stuff like that. But I will keep you posted on it. But in the meantime, if you find this to be a good thing, if you're excited about it, if you think you can get involved or help promote it, let me know in the comments. Feel free to contact me directly if you have questions about it. You can email me. But I'm pretty excited about it. So let's see what happens. Thanks for checking out the video, and we'll be in touch.